Hi, in this video, I'll be talking about why our voice sounds different in recordings versus when we normally talk. So first, I'll start with some background on how humans hear. So normally sound waves enter through here, through the outer ear, and then they vibrate the eardrum. And then here, the cochlea, which is this thing, has a bunch of cells on it, and it transforms the sound waves into electrical signals, which are sent to the brain. And so when we hear our own voice talk, we hear it through two different ways. The first way is through the normal way with the outer ear. So our voice, the sound waves come through here and then come through our ear. And then the second way is through our bone. So one thing that's important is that our voice isn't a perfect frequency. It has higher and lower frequencies within it. So the bone and air have different densities, which means that the bone actually filters out higher frequencies, which means that our voice actually sounds deeper when we hear ourselves talk. But when we hear a recording, we hear it through our outer ear only, which means that our voice sounds a bit higher pitched than what we normally hear. And here are my sources. This YouTube video gave me the diagram, and I also looked at this other website. All right, thanks.